Hey everyone, I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. Before I spent 17 years in this industry and running my own shop, I was a nuclear power electrician. In that world, precision isn't just a goal, it's the law. I take that same no shortcuts attitude when I look at what's going into your home. Today, we're doing a field side breakdown of two heavy hitters in the premium tier, ACiQ versus Carrier. Specifically, we're pitting the ACiQ Essentials series, K series, against the Carrier Comfort 22, 37M HVAC. Both of these are solid units, but as a guy who's fixed them all, I'm going to show you which one actually holds up when the summer heat starts cooking. Now, with ductless mini splits, we aren't looking at those massive louvered steel cabinets you see on central air units. We're looking at chassis durability and coil protection. The ACiQ Essentials features a gold fin hydrophilic coating. That's a specialized layer designed to keep moisture and salt from eating your aluminum fins alive. Crucial if you live anywhere near the coast. Carrier also uses a high-quality coated coil on their Comfort series to fight off corrosion. Both brands are using modern R454B or R32 low GWP refrigerants now, staying ahead of the environmental regs while keeping the footprint small. Efficiency is where the rubber meets the road. The ACiQ Essentials comes in with a sharp 21.4 SEER rating. Carrier's Comfort 22 is right there in the fight, designed for those who want that premium efficiency without the ultimate price tag. Both systems use inverter technology. That's variable speed compressor tech. Think of it like a dimmer switch instead of a standard light switch. Instead of slamming on at 100% and then cutting off, they sip power and ramp up or down to keep your room within 1 degree of where you set it. ACiQ adds a little extra nuclear grade filtration with high density silver ion filters to trap airborne bacteria. Let me ask you, are you looking to cool a sunroom that's basically a greenhouse, or are you finally making that garage workshop livable? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you're DIY minded, you need to pay attention to this next part. In my shop, I rank warranties by how much they protect your wallet when things break. Carrier gives you a solid 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but you're usually tied to a dealer. ACiQ plays a different game. They give you a 7-year parts and a 12-year compressor warranty. But the real winner is their 1-year unit replacement pledge. If that compressor fails in the first year, ACiQ doesn't just send a new part for a tech to sweat over. They replace the whole outdoor unit. That's the kind of backup I like to see. So, what's the verdict? Carrier is a name everyone knows, but for my money, ACiQ takes the win here. You're getting equivalent efficiency, a longer 12-year compressor warranty, and that unit replacement peace of mind, all in a package that's a lot easier for the average homeowner to get their hands on. If you want to see the full spec-by-spec breakdown, check out the head-to-head tool on the website. Make sure to subscribe for the technical truth. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. Keep it cool.